Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Hannah KIENYEJI. Today's dish is rosemary chicken and I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. So in our ingredients, we're going to use chopped onions, garlic and ginger paste, some salt and pepper to taste, chopped rosemary and some cooking oil. This rosemary chicken is actually very easy to cook. The main thing is about the rosemary itself. This because this is the main spice or the main ingredient of our chicken. Therefore, when we are making this dish, we make sure that we are not going to use very powerful spices that are going to overpower our rosemary. We are going to use them very sparingly, and that's the main thing. So here we are going to add some garlic and ginger paste to our glossy onions. Then we are going to stir till they brown.